Oh my God, I like the taste. Healthy, balanced meals in less than 15 minutes. High protein pasta. It's gonna be a shame if you're not gonna try it. And I ruined it. Holy moly. Can I get same? Hey guys, today I'm walking you through what I eat in a day. High protein meals, more than 110 grams, and I actually share exactly how long each meal takes so you know how to plan your day, and you will see that you can cook very fast, delicious, and healthy meals. By the way, if you don't know me yet, my name is Kate. I'm a nutritionist, holistic coach, and yoga teacher. On this channel, I share practical tips for weight loss, cravings, and how to build a healthy habit that actually sticks. I'm going to attend a wedding, and first of all, I need to look good. Secondary, we are going to use whatever left in my fridge. I'm gonna show you that it's absolutely possible to be a digital nomad like me, by the way, 7 years already. Cook healthy, eat healthy, and fast food. Well, that sounds like a fast food, but it's not. Cooking fast from whatever you have. Literally yesterday, I came up with this amazing high protein breakfast that you can cook just 8 minutes. We're gonna be making easy cottage cheese casserole. I know it's not looking any good, but I promise it's delicious. Cottage cheese, yogurt, broccoli, 1 egg, cucumber, frozen spinach, spices, and brown rice. I don't know if that's the thing with the cottage cheese in my country, but I'm so used to it. Actually, all the amount that you have in recipe, it doesn't have to be the exact. I like to create recipes, just putting things together and see how it tastes or how does it look. But I'm just so used to create recipes for my clients and for my cookbook that I'm pretty much know the exact amount that we need. Woke up late, sun kissed my face. No rush, no race, just a slow embrace. You can actually add 2 eggs, so be more protein. For me, 1 egg plus cottage cheese is way enough to hit my protein goals for the day. I think it looks good. Now I'm gonna put it in a microwave for 8 minutes. All right, I'm gonna show you how it looks. Amazing. It's a little bit falling apart, but I think it's okay because it's still gonna be delicious. I didn't add much brown rice. I'm just gonna slide it like this. So let's see what happens. And I ruined it. Holy moly. We're still gonna try it and it's still gonna be amazing. Not gonna be very pretty, but ta-da! Unfortunately, I did not get the shot when I just ruined it. Basically, I did not add enough flour, but I do not want, so for me, it's totally fine. It's nice not to be perfect. Wow, it's still really good. Doesn't matter how it looks. Actually, what I like is that the cucumber became kind of pickled because it got boiled a little bit, and I like the taste. I feel like I'm gonna finish the whole thing because it's so good. And it's still hot. I just can't wait. Let me know who gave it a try and what do you guys think? It doesn't look really perfect, but it's not the point. The point is that it's delicious, it cooks really fast, and it hits my protein goal, and that's exactly what I need after workout. So please comment below who tried it, and maybe you add something else, and maybe yours looks much better. I'll be really excited to see. I just came to the co-working and it's gonna be my second session for today. How I managed to work before having breakfast, I'm showing in my video of morning routine, so you can check that out. I'll leave it in the description. I decided to take a break. I'm gonna head to the little coffee shop that we have right here next to my condo. And I really love cappuccino there. They make it really delicious and the coffee is really soft, doesn't break my pressure up. I actually am looking forward to this moment of break between my work because it makes me recharge and rethink of what am I gonna be doing next, how is all the things going. And when I do the breaks, then my work gets done much quicker and I am more productive throughout the day. Can I get same? Hello, hello. This is lunchtime and I'm super hungry already. I got some work done and now we are gonna be cooking lunch. Like I promised to you a gift, I made a blueprint that share my exact weight loss story and step-by-step plan how to lose weight, beat the cravings, and create a healthy habit that actually stick. I even share my exact plates, meals that I eat, so you can grab it in the description below. For lunch, I'm gonna be making lentil pasta and avocado salad. You can see all ingredients on the screen. What do you think the best time to eat high carbs food like pasta, potato, rice, and so on? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lunch. If you got the lunch, then you got it right, because there is a science behind it, and the science say the peak of metabolism throughout the day is around 12 p.m. So 12 p.m. is around when we have a lunch. 12 or 1, it's not a big of a difference. And when we have the highest metabolism, this is when we want to eat something that takes a lot of energy to process. If we're gonna eat high carbs right before we're going to sleep, then most likely we're gonna end up gaining weight. Day by day, weeks by weeks, you will just notice that you have a bigger belly or maybe you have more kilos. I want to guys hear from you if you like this type of quiz that related to nutrition, so you can learn something new while we cooking and checking what I eat in a day. If you really like that, can you please comment below? Okay, I think it's time for us to start cooking. But usually what I do with my veggies is I use fruit and vegetable cleaner. And the reason why I do that, because all veggies usually have so much pesticides and parasites. To have the big pot and I'm cleaning all of this in advance and then put in a box. Actually, this cleaner, it makes fruits and veggies last much longer. All right, our lunch is ready. We have avocado salad, high protein pasta with mussels and pasta sauce. As you see, the cooking time took us around 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on whatever you have, anything pre-made like I do or not. But look at this. We have healthy, balanced meals that last in 15 minutes. Why not to take care of yourself, your health, and feel full all day and energized? So we're gonna eat this, continue working, and then meet guys in a dinner. All right, it is time for dinner. It is super crazy raining outside. It got a bit dark. I am going to be super creative today. I can't wait to show you guys this dinner. It is something that you can cook in any country. I've been exploring my shelves and found the rice paper. Usually in Asia, I see they make fried spring rolls, but obviously it is not healthy, and especially because it's deep fried. We are gonna make healthy, fresh, yummy, high protein spring rolls together. Vegan and pescatarian friendly. Are you ready? Let's start. Ingredients for our spring rolls: lettuce, carrots, tofu, onions, cucumber, and this is like a superstar of the dinner, papaya. You don't have to use it, you can use whatever you have. Just want to add something a little bit sweet to it. We need water for the rice paper to soften, avocado, and this is our tilapia fish. You can use any other fish, seafood, or just tofu. The thing with the rice paper is that you need to work really quick. Otherwise, it becomes really sticky. I will do 6 pieces today. 3 with fish, 3 with tofu. Just look at this, completely balanced. It has a little bit carbs, not too much for dinner. I'm just like, look at these colors. The first thing who eats out of all the body is the brain, because the brain look at the colors, and then we look at the colors as a lot of it, because there's a lot of different colors. So that's why the food should be colorful. And I think we managed to do that today, and it's super easy and super cool. I have this recipe with 3 different options in my cookbook. I'll leave you a link in the description below so you can check that out. The moment of truth. Oh my god. Like, seriously? It's gonna be shame if you're not gonna try it. Wow! You know what's the thing with papaya? It's just so amazing. Instead of papaya, you can use pineapple, peach, apricot, something a bit sweet. Even orange would work. You probably wonder is like how come you don't have any snack or anything like this. So there's a days where I just don't want to have a snack. But normally if I do feel hungry, and sometimes I do feel hungry after dinner, then I'm just gonna grab a handful of berries with the yogurt or plain, carrot and apple salad. Thanks for hanging out with me today. It was such a great eating day today because I hit my protein goal and I kept everything super simple. Let me know in a comment below which meal you actually want to try, or maybe you tried already and you want to share your feedback, and I'm gonna see you very soon.